What do you like? Some whitefish. You're a good boy. You don't stick your face in it before it's down. There you go. And Phoebe's got the first half of the pouch. And Beanie's got his own pouch. And... oh, I don't know, I feel dizzy. I'll take this box down for Moonlight, and you three can have the box I got yesterday, that surf and turf mix biscuit. Beanie, you've got there some treaties, darling. Can I clean your bowl out later when you finish that? He's got his brush that I got him for his birthday, his big bag of treats, that's some biscuit, pouch for if any of them need an extra one at feeding time to keep them off Trilby's food. That's licky puds, which are like licky lids, licky licks, but a bit more solid so they don't sink into the licky mat the same. Trilby goes mental for them. He'll actually push his dad and sister off for them. I need them 2 boxes to sort a big box into.